In the pages of the Bible, amidst the ancient tales of Genesis, lies a story that speaks to the origins of our diverse languages and cultures. Welcome to today's exploration of the Tower of Babel, the story of scattered languages. Genesis 11 verses 1 to 9 recounts a time when humanity shared a common language and ambition. In the land of Shinar, years after the end of the Great Flood, the descendants of Noah filled the earth with a single language and a single culture. People embarked on a grand endeavor, a colossal tower that would reach the heavens, a testament to human ambition and the desire for recognition. For days they worked together, with unparalleled ambitions and determination. They built a magnificent tower that extended from the earth to the heavens. And God saw that men were arrogant with this ambition, and he was not pleased with them, for they seek to be like him. Hence divine intervention came to being. Seeing the pride and arrogance of humanity, God decided to intervene. God's response was swift and powerful. He introduced a language barrier, causing chaos as people could no longer understand each other. The consequence was profound. The tower's construction halted, and humanity scattered across the earth, forming diverse cultures and languages. This story isn't just about language, it's a timeless lesson in humility, cooperation, and the value of embracing diversity. It's a reminder that unity should be built upon respect and humility, and that no accomplishment should lead to arrogance. As we reflect on the Tower of Babel, the story of scattered languages, let it serve as a testament to the importance of understanding, empathy, and collaboration in our ever-diverse world. It could also explain further the science being the Great Pyramids of Egypt, that man indeed had the technologies to build such wonders even before the emergence of modern technologies. Thank you for joining us on this journey through ancient wisdom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful, thought-provoking stories from the Bible. Till then, this is Bible Stories Inspirations, saying the way to God is the way of His words. Stay blessed.